Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another set on my right hand this time, so please excuse all of the hesitancy, I guess I should call it. I am right-handed, so it's gonna take a little bit longer to do this side. So I'm just going in with my prep here really quick, doing, pushing back the cuticles, and here I'm going in with my nail drill, and I'm going to be just getting all of that cuticle and dead skin off my nail plate.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the back.
So now I'm taking my ball cuticle bit and I'm just going around my cuticle, trying to get some more of that stuff off. My cuticles are really stubborn and I had a really hard time removing them this time around. And I'm just going to go ahead and apologize right now. I know in my first video I was out of frame a few times and I said I was going to try to be better. Yeah, I was not better this time, so I apologize for it right now. I think I'm going to tweak my setup a little bit so that I'm able to pull my hands closer to myself. Especially doing my right hand, it was quite hard to keep my hands in frame. So here I'm going in with my fine grit sanding band, and I'm just getting rid of the shine from my nails and trying to figure out the best way and most comfortable way to hold my nail drill and do my right hand. And I'm going in with my cuticle nippers.
Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times.
Alright, so we went on to put on my nail tips, and I used those same Savvyland stiletto full cover nail tips, and I just snipped off the tops of them again, and I used my Model 1's base coat and my nail lamp to adhere them to my nails. So now I'm just going in and I'm doing a little bit of filing to make them fit nicely to my sidewalls, and then I'll go in with my cutting. And like I said, I keep pulling my hands out of frame, so I'm so sorry for that. I promise I will make a better effort to stay in frame for my next video. So once I got all of my nail tips cut, I'm just checking them to see if they're all roughly the same length and kind of straightening them out a little bit. I cut a few of them crooked, so I'm fixing that and then just seeing how I like them. And now I'll go in and I'll shape them up a little bit. I'm just putting a little bit more of a taper on them. I like the more of the tapered square, not like the wide square.
Try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times.
All right, and so once I had all of my tips filed the way that I wanted them, I'm just going in with some 91% isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free wipe, and I'm just getting all the dust off of my nails. Late 90s, early 2000s, I was a tween then. So I wanted to do some millennial style nails, I guess. So right here I'm going in with my e-file and I am just taking the shine off of my nail tips. So I'm taking my Model 1's base coat and I'm applying a layer to all of the nails and I'm curing for 30 seconds. So here what I'm doing is I'm taking my McCart top coat and I'm going to put a bunch of the silver, what do you want to call them? I guess they're sort of charms, but they're more like just little rocks. That's what they look like. And I'm going to put those on the tip of my nail and I'm going to encapsulate. My thumb, I'm going to do an ombre as well. So it kind of looks like they're diamond encrusted. So once I got all of the diamonds in place, I just cured that for 30 seconds. And now I'm going in with my clear Macart Polygel to encapsulate the tip. I don't want to give away any spoilers, but my 13-year-old self was screaming. I love this set so much. And, doing nails is always a trust the process type of thing, but I just feel like these turned out so cute. If I was a tween again, I would be showing off my nails to everybody. I love these so much. So here you can see me, I keep turning my nail to the side to check how thick it is and if I have a decent enough apex. This thumb took me a while to get through. I added a lot of polygel in the beginning, so I had to kind of pull a lot of that out, but still keep it thick enough to where when I went to file, I wasn't going to file into any of those little diamonds.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it.
So on my pointer finger, I decided to do the jelly pink. And I'm doing the whole nail that way. So I just put a big bead of polygel and I'm just getting it as close to the cuticle as possible, and then I'm going to slowly work my way down to the tip and make sure I'm getting everything covered. So in the first video, I feel like I showed a lot more of my nail prep. So in this video, I wanted to show just a little bit more of my application. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you guys like seeing more of the application? Do you like watching for the nail prep? Or are you more of a nail art enthusiast? So once I have all the nails done, I am going in with my dust collector and my nail file, and I'm just going to shape up these nails and get them ready for the next steps. Okay, so once I have all the nails shaped and filed, I'm just going in with my e-file and I'm just giving the nails a little bit of a C-curve, just a teeny tiny bit, and cleaning them up underneath. And next I'm going to go in with my Macart top coat and my Macart rhinestone glue, and we're going to do some charms. So since my thumb has diamonds on the inside, I figured I would put some rhinestones on top to make it as blingy as possible. So all of these rhinestones, the little diamonds, and the charms, all came in those little circular containers that I showed in my first video. It's like a mishmash of all different types of things. So I found a bunch of rhinestones in there. There was little shapes, there's stars, different colored rhinestones, not just like I think you call them the AB, or they have like kind of a different colored iridescent look to them. But there was also just regular silver ones. There was some green ones. There were some champagne gold colored ones. So on my pointer finger, I chose a little gold star, and I just put it right in the center. I thought it just was really, really cute. This whole set was just giving me throwback vibes. I loved it so much. So now that all of the nails are done, I am just putting on my cuticle oil and then I will show them off. And I apologize for not showing some of the application and putting on the nail charms and things like that. Like I said in the beginning, my hands were out of frame a lot, so I just tried to do what I could to salvage this video. But here's the final look, and this is what they look like outside. I really love them. I thought they were just so amazing. Thank you everybody for watching my video, and check out the next one. Leave a comment down below. Leave a pink heart if you made it to the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.